Now that I have my classroom set up and my students enrolled, I'm ready to start assigning things for them to view in Discover Streaming Experience. I'm going to go ahead and search. Our next unit's going to be the water cycle. And I want to do some introductory materials for my students, so I'm going to narrow my search down by grade level. And I am looking for this video segment on the water cycle. I've seen it, it's wonderful. It's exactly what I need to help my students get introduced to these vocabulary words. So over here on the right, I have some things I can do with resources. And the third one down is assign. So if I click on that, it will take me into an editor where I can choose dates that I want this to be part of what the students know they need to do. I'm going to give them a week to view this video. The next step is to select a class. If I have more than one class, I can choose more than one class to assign this to, or just one. And if I want to choose students and have this be differentiated so that some students see different assignments, then that's where I would do that. I only have one student, so I can't really make too many changes there, but I will go ahead and assign it. And now I'm done, and it's okay, finished that easily. Now, let's take a look at what happens when my student looks at this. So I'm going to go back into my classrooms and I'm going to look at my classroom here. And when I have my student, I can actually log in as my student to see what they see. And so when Judy goes to discoveryeducation.com and logs in with her school account, she's going to see that she has this video to watch and that she is going to need to click on it. And now it opens up for her and she can start viewing it. And that quickly and easily, Judy has access to the resource that I've assigned to her.